Back pain, knee pain, stiffness when you stand, or that cracking sound when you squat. If you're over 30, chances are you're starting to feel it. But have you ever wondered why this pain shows up, even if you're not an athlete or didn't injure yourself? Most people start noticing lower back pain and knee discomfort around the age of 30 to 40. Why? Because the body starts to naturally lose muscle mass, cartilage begins to wear down, and lifestyle habits catch up to us. Here's what's happening inside. Your spinal discs start to dehydrate and shrink. Your knee cartilage becomes less cushioned. Your core and leg muscles weaken if you sit too much. And all of that creates misalignment, pressure, and eventually, pain. Here are the 5 biggest habits that lead to chronic pain after 30. Sitting for too long tightens hip flexors, weakens glutes. Bad posture from phones, laptops, driving. Lack of stretching or mobility work. Poor diet. Inflammation from sugar and processed foods. Wearing the wrong shoes, especially for your knees and spine. And the worst part? Most of us don't notice the damage until it becomes constant pain. But here's the good news. Your body is built to heal naturally. You can reduce or even prevent back and knee pain without pills or surgery. Here's how, naturally. Daily movement. Even just walking 30 minutes a day helps lubricate joints. Stretching, focus on your hips, hamstrings, and calves. Posture correction. Adjust your chair, screen height, and avoid slouching. Strengthen your core and glutes. These muscles support your spine and knees. Stay hydrated. Your joints need water too. There are also natural remedies that have worked for centuries. Turmeric and ginger, natural anti-inflammatories. Magnesium-rich foods help relax tight muscles. Massage therapy improves circulation and reduces joint tension. Yoga and Tai Chi restore balance and joint mobility. Barefoot walking on natural surfaces strengthens foot alignment and reduces knee pressure. These simple habits can make a world of difference if done consistently. People most at risk include desk workers, people who are overweight, those with past injuries, and surprisingly, even young people with bad posture from tech use. Tips to remember: don't ignore early signs of pain. Get regular body movement. Use natural anti-inflammatory foods. Correct your posture. Strengthen, not just stretch. You don't have to accept pain as part of aging. With the right natural habits, you can take control of your back and knee health, starting today. Your body isn't breaking, it's just asking for better care. Like and follow for more natural health tips.